is green and the bunkers are clean and everyone is shooting and you're just sitting and you're sweating because it's so hot in your work. And so, yes, I understand what you're saying. You know, there's something we have to do. I've been fighting. I won't be one of those. The other 4 hours just to work and trying to make good things for the store and things done with the sponsorship. It's hard, but
it's hard to take responsibility.
And even with the Dorito.
So, you've done a great job with everything in Brazil. We appreciate all your support here in the United States and making it out here. And so, well, let's talk about this next game coming up. We got the Bushwhackers versus Open Blast. You know any of these teams?
Stay right along the edge, like they call it. Just stand right to us every most forward player. When we go for a run through, we just throw his hands on top of his head. Oh, you just gotta get his ball. You're wonderful, man.
I don't want to
Really makes it fair. I know, I want to go down and ask him if our dog is
Oh, dude, just wait.
When it's the beach, and Zach and I talked with him yesterday, said, Sean, you need to adjust your schedule in 2009. And Zach is really working for you there. I guess we have one of the events this year is on his birthday, his anniversary,
stop right there.
Wife's birthday.
If this guy's out, he'll walk back.
It's significant to him and his family. But here he is, still sticking with the team and leading these guys. Young crew, used to be called SCT Epic.
Nah, the ref checked him.
Kenny Suda, and we joined up with Northern California. Bob was talking me after the first event, you know, it's a rough rebuilding year here. I don't know.
He'll walk back to the most forward player. So this guy gets shot out, he'll back up that tempo.
You hear what he's saying?
I think this guy right here last. Wherever the other player is, where the first guy up the field is. It's very much cheating. People get thrown out for that.
Like
I said, once you're out there, we're sitting up here, we can see. I can tell you all day long, but that's because I'm up here.
Last year, the first year, Roddy Kilgore did not have the protein.
Okay, so watch that guy move up Dorito.
And he fought for it, and did all the running moves that
coming through, stretching. And he moves up. That's ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous.
It's always good to see that.
As this guy moves up the snake, I can stop there. So weak.
Dude, I'm gonna call him out on it.
That's dirty.
Making sure that they're sponsoring.
And it'll be on the internet.
Kilgore, I see him right there in the middle of the stand.
It's not helping him anyway. Nah, they're getting wiped off the field. Thankfully.
Sugar Clay, you see right there, he'll give you a high five. No worries. Here we go, Kilgore and his Bushwhackers coming from your right to left in the not orange jerseys. There's Blast coming from your left to right.
And he's watching them too.
Oh, look, stretch. Nice on top of the head.
Hand on top of the head. Yeah.
I know, dude. Oh my god, he's horrible about it. Oh. I wonder if they take turns at tournaments doing the bird dog. Or if today's just Paxson's day.